Good medical morning. Last week, our friends at Pop This on Facebook showcased this viral video about long fingernails. So let's look at long nails, and I'll give you a tip to having the healthiest nails on the planet.
The longest that they have gotten was 28 inches.
Still, she insists that everyday tasks are easy.
I really don't notice. Every day I put on contact lens, and I just put them on, by myself.
Fingernails and toenails are made of a tough protective protein called alpha-keratin. This protein is also found in the hooves and horns of different animals.
Since his nails are really sensitive and fragile, so we had to use this string, and at a later stage we basically counted and measured the numbers on the string using a tape.
If you want longer, healthier nails, you need a good biotin-based supplement to promote nail health and growth. Biotin is a B-complex vitamin that proponents say can promote healthy hair and nail growth. Biotin may strengthen brittle nails and prevent them from breaking. The best of the best biotin supplement is Cocoa Skin Plus by Dr. John Gilmore. It's the only supplement that has Dr. Gilmore's proprietary blend of essential nail nutrients. Nice. Let's take a look at a few more images and clips, then we'll tell you a little more about Cocoa Skin Plus.
So, with that said, I'm gonna start. So I need a set of these pliers. I got this at a local Lowe's, like a hardware store, yeah. Hi Marlene, hi Betty, hi Miss Foster, hi Miss Winslow, hi everybody out there.
Hi everybody.
And I traveled from
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.